Let's solve chapter 1, E1. Suppose that a pancake recipe designed to feed 3 people calls for 6 milliliter of flour. How many milliliter of flour would you use if you wanted to extend the recipe to feed 5 peoples? Okay, this is a ratio problem. So 3 people for 600 milliliter. Then how many people? 5 people. And x milliliter of flour. Then you can cross multiply. Then 3 times x equal 600 times 5. Then x supposed to be 3000 divided by 3. 3000 divided by 3. And x supposed to be 1000 milliliter of flour need for. Okay, I will talk to you later. Bye now. Okay, let's solve chapter 1 E2. Suppose that a cupcake recipe is designed to produce 12 cupcakes. 12 cupcakes called for 900 milliliter of flours. How many milliliter of flour would you use if you wanted to make only 8 cupcakes? Okay, so same. 12 cupcake to 900 milliliter of flour equal as 8 cupcake to x milliliter. You need to figure out the x. Same cross multiplication. So 12x becoming 900 times 8. Then x should be this 7200 divided by 12. Then your x supposed to be 600 milliliter of flour you need. Okay, that is your answer. Thank you, and let's continue on chapter E3. Okay, let's continue E3, chapter 1. It is estimated that 6 large pitchers are about right to serve the physics club meeting for 30 students. How many pitchers would be required if the group grows 50 students? Okay, 6 pitcher for 30. And then how many pitchers you need? Okay, same. 6 pitcher to 30 STU student equal as, we don't know how many pitchers, to 50 STU students. Then you cross multiply. Then 30 times x equal 50 times 6. And your x is 300 divided by 30. And your x supposed to be 10 features. Okay, we'll continue E4. Okay, let's continue E4. A man used his hand to measure a width of a tabletop. If the hand has a width of 12 centimeter, hand, and then its widest point, and he finds the tabletop to be 10.5 hand wide, and what is the width of the tabletop in centimeter and in meter? Okay, so table equal, as 12 times 10.5 hand width, right? 12 centimeter for hand width, and then becoming, you can calculate 10.5 times 12, then you will get 0, 1, 2, and 1 more 5, then 0, 6, 2, 1, and your decimal point here. So 126 centimeter, because this one is centimeter per hand, and this is the hand width, and then this can cancel out. You will get a tabletop is 126 centimeter, and then you can convert in meter. 100 centimeter equal as 1 meter. 1 meter equal as 100 centimeter. So 126 centimeter, and your tabletop, and you can centimeter cancel out, and then you divide 1.26 meter as meter. Okay, then okay, that's it for number 4, and I will continue number 5. Hello, let's keep continue. E5, and a woman foot is 9-inch long. A foot, okay, and if she steps off the ranks of a loom, placing one foot directly in front of the other, and find the loom to be 15 foot length long. And what is length of the loom in inches and feet? Okay, so your loom equal as 9 inch per foot, 9 inches per foot of that woman, then times it's find as a 15 foot long, foot length. So then you put this foot and this foot length is cancel out, and then 9 times the 15 is 135 inches, right? And then you can change that 135 inches to feet. 1 feet is 12 inches. Then inches cancel out, and the third 135 divided by 12 becoming 11 and 1/4, right? Which is 25 feet, or 11 1/4 feet, or 11 feet 3 inches. Each one of them supposed to be correct answer. Okay, and I will continue the next question. Okay, the next one is E6 on chapter 1. A book is 220 millimeter width, 220 millimeter in width, and what is the width in centimeter and in meter? Okay, this is a unique conversion, right? So book equal as 220 millimeter, then the 1 centimeter over 10 millimeter. So millimeter cancel out, and divided by 10, giving 22 centimeter. And the book 220 millimeter times 1 meter holding 1000 millimeter. 1 meter over 1000 millimeter. Millimeter unit cancel out, and then divided by 1000, 0.22 meter. So this in meter and this in centimeter. So we can convert in each way. Okay, and I will continue the next question. Hello, let's continue. Chapter 1 E7, which is a crater has mass of 8.6 kilogram. What is in gram and milligram? Okay, so crate equal 8.60 kilogram, and gram, 1 gram is how many kilogram? Or another way, 1000 gram equal 1 kilogram, right? Then kilogram cancel out, and you multiply, and then 8,600 gram is the crater in gram. And another way, and 8.60 kilogram, and you change the kilogram with milligram is a million times. Okay, milligram becoming 1 kilogram. Then kilogram cancel, and 8.60 times 10 to the power 6 milligram, or 860,000 like this milligram. It's just the regular number and the scientific notation, and this is just the regular numbers. Okay, we can convert kilogram to gram and milligram. Okay, let's continue the next one. Okay, now chapter 1 E8. A tank holds 2.18 kiloliter. Okay, that kilo equal as 10 to the power 3. Okay, kiloliters of water. How many liters of this? How many milliliter of this? Okay, tank equal 2.18 kiloliter, and kilo means 1,000, right? So 1,000 liter equal as 1 kiloliter. So kiloliter cancel out, and then you can 2,180 liter equal as 2.18 kiloliter. And another way, milliliter, and 2.18 kiloliter, which is milliliter and kiloliter, and this is 10 to negative 3, this is 10 to 3. So you will have million times difference. Millions, milliliter over 1 kiloliter. Kiloliter cancel out, and then 2.18 times 10 to the power 6 milliliter, or 2,180,000 milliliter as regular numbers, or your scientific notation. So these are your answer. Okay, keep continue on next question. Okay, let's do the chapter 1 E9. A mile is 5,280 feet long. The sample exercise in example box on 1.2 shows that one foot is approximately 0.305 meter. And how many meters are there in a mile? How many kilometers are there in mile? Okay, 1 feet equal 0.305 meter, and 1 mile equal as 5,280 feet. Then you can convert like this times 0.305 meter over feet. Then you can calculate these numbers as meter, and then you can calculate that one as kilometers. Okay, hold on a second, I will bring the calculator. Okay, I brought my calculator. So 5,280 times 0.305 equal as 1610.4 meter, right? 1 mile equal as 1610.4 meter, and the next one is convert this 1600.4 meter. This is 1 mile, and then you can calculate as 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. Then you meter cancel out, then you divide, and then 1.6104 kilometer is a mile. So you can calculate mile to the meter and kilometer like this. Okay, I will continue next one. Okay, 10 E10. If a mile is 5,280 feet long and a yard contains 3 feet, how many yards are in a mile? Okay, 1 mile equal as 5,280 feet. And then how many feet in 1 yard? 1 yard equal 3 feet. Then you cancel out, and then you divide 5,280 divided by 3. Then you will get 1,760 yard is 1 mile. Okay, continue. Next question. Okay, continue on E11 on chapter 1. Area is found by multiplying of length of a surface times the width. Length times the width. If a floor measures 6.25 square meter, how many square centimeter does this represent? How many square centimeter are in 1 square meter? And okay, this you can this 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter, and becoming 1 square centimeter, right? Like this, a big one is 1 meter and 1 meter. Then it's called as 1 square meter. But this one 100 centimeter. This side also 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter becoming 1 square meter. 1 square meter equal 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter, becoming million, 10,000 square centimeter. Same way, 6.25 square meter equal 6.25 times 10,000 square centimeter, which is 62,500 square centimeter is 6.25 square meter. Okay, let's continue next one. Okay, E12 on chapter 1. A common speed limit in Vancouver, British Columbia is 80 km per hour. If you are going 55 miles per hour, are you speeding? Show the converting 55 mile per hour to kilometer per hour using the conversion factors on the inside the front cover. We already knows 1 mile equal as 1.6104 kilometer, right? Because we already answered in previous question. And now 55 miles, convert 55 miles, convert to the kilometer per hour. So 55 mile per hour, convert to kilometer per hour. So how many kilometers in mile per hour? So 1 mile equal as 1.6104 kilometer, right? Then you just change the mile cancel out, and you convert 55 times 1.6104. Then you will get 88.572 kilometer per hour. 55 mile convert to 88, and the speed limit is 80, so it's exceed, so it is speeding. Okay, so that is it. You need to know the conversion factor 1 mile as 1.6104 kilometer from the previous question. Okay, I'll continue next one. Okay, let's continue the chapter 1E13. If gas cost 80 cents per liter, and how much does a gallon of gas cost? Show the converting gallon to liter using the conversion factor on the inside the front page. Okay, you can check the converting factor. 1 gallon equal as 3.785 liter. Okay, then it changed to liter, 80 cents per liter, convert to the gallon per liter, right? So in this case, you multiply how many liters in 1 gallon? 3.785 liter in 1 gallon. Then 80 cents, right? 80 times 3.785. Then you will get 302.8 cents per gallon. Okay, this is a converting factor for your, so which means this is $3.28 per gallon. Gallon of, yeah. So this is your answer. So this is could be your answer from the converting factor. Okay, and that is it for chapter 1, and I will continue on chapter 2 later. Thank you, and bye now.